Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for coming here. Let me introduce myself to you all. My complete name is Basilia Anita Setiawati. I am a student of Mas Saraswati University and I am majoring English Literature. And now I'm in third semester. This morning I'm going to talk about the report that I have made. Uh, this presentation is a fulfillment semester exams of English for Business and Correspondence. I think the topic of this report is important to know and very useful for all of us, especially for teenagers. Alright, I will start my presentation. If there are errors in either the language or the material that I submit, I hope you ask the questions and provide the suggestions for me. First of all, I will explain the cover of this report. The title is The Popularity of Different Types of Social Media Among Teenagers by Basilia Anita Setiawati, 2 December 2022, to Manager of FBA Unmas. Alright, the next one is the table of contents. Starting from summary, introduction, body such as the first is the general information, the second is the overview, advantage and disadvantage of WhatsApp, Instagram, and the Twitter. And the last is the conclusion. Alright, the next is summary. Social media is important part of the lives of today's teenagers. The use of social media is increasingly popular and its development is also increasing rapidly among teenagers, especially among students. Social media is a digital platform that facilitates users to communicate with each other or share content in the form of writing, photos, videos, and is a digital platform that provides facilities for carrying out social activities for its user. There are many types of social media, but there are only few types of social media that are conducted a survey of Class 3B English Literature students of Mas Saraswati University. Some of them use social media for fun, but others use it to make money. Social media allows communication from near to far. In this report, I use data from survey student in class 3B of English Literature, Mas Saraswati University, and I got the result that WhatsApp is the most popular social media among teenagers. Alright, the next is introduction. Social media is an important part of the lives of today's teenager. The use of social media is increasingly popular and its development is also increasing rapidly among teenagers, especially among students. Therefore, I created a report entitled of different types of social media among teenagers. According to the following link, social media is a digital platform that facilitates users to communicate with each other or share content in the form of writing, photos, videos, and is a digital platform that provides facilities for carrying out social activities for its user. Citation needed. Social media is also a means to socialize with one another and is carried out online, which allows humans to interact with each other without being limited by space and time. There are many types of social media, but there are only a few of social media that are very popular among teenagers. To prove the popularity of social media among teenagers, I conducted a survey of Class 3B English Literature of Mas Saraswati University. Methods of data Collection are done by distributing questionnaires and interviews. The social media most often using by class 3B students are WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. Alright, the next part is the body of report. The first is general information. In general, social media is a medium for socializing with each other and is done online which allows humans to interact with each other without being limited by space and time. Besides functioning as a tool for communication, social media is also a means for users to dig up various information. Each type of social media also has a level of popularity such as the following three social media. Alright, the second is the overview, advantage and disadvantage. The first is the WhatsApp. One of the most popular social media in Indonesia is the WhatsApp. In today's all-digital era, we certainly realize that the presence of social media is widely used by public as a means of communication and information. WhatsApp is said to be the most popular social media in Indonesia because according to the survey data conducted by GWI in the third quarter of 2020, WhatsApp users reported reaching 87.7% with an age range of 16 to 60 years of every social media user, according to the link provided. WhatsApp is a chat application that can be said to be the most popular compared to other chat applications. What's more, WhatsApp has undergone various changes that have made this application more and more popular. If at the beginning of the setting, WhatsApp is only used to send messages or make calls. Now WhatsApp can share status whether it's in the form of the text or video like our Instagram. In addition, WhatsApp can also be used by all types of operating systems. WhatsApp is also a quite saving application. So even if you use it to chat all day long, your internet packets won't run out quickly. Apart from that, the contacts on your cell phone will sync automatically. There are also Alright, the second is Instagram. Nowadays, Indonesians are more interested in attractive pictures than reading. Therefore, Instagram is more in demand especially by young people compared to Facebook for application for sharing photos and videos. Instagram is a photo sharing application that allows users to take photos, apply digital filters, and share them on various social networking services, including Instagram's own. To use Instagram, you don't need to spend money because you only need to download a website for promotion, which of course you have to rent a domain with various fees. Therefore, for beginner online stores, it is better to choose social media such as Instagram instead of using a website. According to this link, as previously explained, since the release of Instagram many years ago, there have been an increasing number of users until now. This is, of course, beneficial for online business to market their products through Instagram social media because of the convenience that is presented, making Instagram media very quickly attracts people's interest in using it, like posting photos or videos, uh, liking and commenting on posts, following and searching relevant hashtag can be done very easily. Instagram does have connections with several other social media so that it provides its own convenience for business people. According to this link, there's also Instagram's weakness in that it's designed to be portable. The Instagram application was created as a portable system. This means that design is best sites for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. There is also a web version of this social network that can be used on desktop computers but doesn't offer many services as the mobile app. In addition, it is not compatible with all operating systems. The Instagram application is only available for iOS, Android, and Windows mobile operating systems. This does not include people who have devices with BlackBerry systems, OS, and Linux, amongst others. Instagram is also limited to editing pictures. In addition, there is the possibility of image theft. By posting quality or professional images on social networks, one can access them and use them for economically profitable professional matters. Image privacy is collective, not individual. You cannot configure the privacy of each photo individually. This means that there are only two choices: all publications are public or all are private. There are also disadvantages. Besides that, it is addictive because the Instagram social network can become addictive for its users. For this reason, it should be used with caution. In addition, there is false advertising. Many shops rely on Instagram to promote their products and services. Sometimes, therefore, accounts use fake and advertising to attract customers. This can create distrust on the part of the user. Alright, the third is the Twitter. One of the things that make people feel comfortable with Twitter is because it saves quota. Not only that, according to netizens, Twitter does not differentiate between the poor and the rich. Because you don't need a good cell phone with a cool camera to use Twitter. One that still exists today is Twitter. Twitter is arguably one of the pioneers of social media whose popularity still persists today. There's always a reason loyal users stay on Twitter even though the hype of Instagram and Facebook is much bigger. Twitter was first founded by Williams with Noah Glass, B. Stone, and Jack Dorsey in 2006 in San Francisco, United States. Even though other social media have sprung up, Twitter still has its own advantages. Twitter is a 140 characters text-based microblogging, social networking service called tweets. Although the number of the Twitter users is still far behind Instagram and Facebook users, but Twitter remains a mainstay for those who love social media. According to this link, every day we can see what's trending today or what the public is currently talking about. Interestingly, trending on Twitter is set according to our respective countries. So we can say that Twitter is always updating new things. As we know, Twitter is a social media that has a minimalist appearance with simple features that is the main action for its users. Twitter emphasizes communication more than other social networks. In addition, Twitter displays simple things, not from one's lifestyle. Interestingly, you can also make your following tweets that you think are toxic. On Twitter, users don't have to worry about feeds like on Instagram. Twitter is a social media that is known to be a drug for users to get rid of fatigue and stay mentally healthy with the various features provided. Twitter has another advantage, namely giving its users the freedom to change the Twitter display background at will. Thus, it is certain that users will not feel bored when using Twitter. According to this link, Twitter offers the chance to reach hundreds of million people without any direct cost. Many companies utilize Twitter in their own business. They can marketing inexpensively and effectively. About 140 million people actively use Twitter as of the data of publication, according to the social media network. However, Twitter also has its own limitation and disadvantage. Posting limits. Twitter has a 140 characters limits to its posts. Therefore, users must type tweets consecutively. User cannot tweet video from uploading. Users can only allow share a maximum of love tweets a day. Follower limitations. Twitter does not limit the number of followers that can follow you. However, accounts that have more than 2,000 followers are usually monitored for unlawful behavior. Once you have 2,000 followers, Twitter can limit the number of additional followers you can receive. Spamming. Twitter has more than 140 million active users. It is safe to say some of them are spammers who posting links with unrelated tweets, posting duplicate updates, and providing links to websites that promote phishing practice and measure. Twitter has improved its security measures to enable users to flag when they deem to be spammers. Addictive. Some Twitter users may find it is difficult to walk away Twitter and somehow become an obsession. They will post anything even that it is not relevant or useful. Besides above disadvantage, personally, there is some limitation of Twitter. In order to reduce the plethora of new tweets entered on a daily basis, Twitter has examination to filter to tweets, especially for the new individual user. Their tweets have the potential to be quickly, and many tweets may go unseen. It is what happens to me as I'm the new users of Twitter. My tweets can show up even I add a hashtag. It is really annoying me since I can post my class participation. Alright, the last part is the conclusion. In conclusion, after I conducted a survey of Mas Saraswati University students, especially in class 3B of English literature, I found that WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter are applications that are popular among teenagers. I really agree with this result because it is supported by a lot of data about the popularity and other things about the three applications at this time. In addition, this application it is not popular just like that, but because its application has different uses and characteristics. Besides being popular among teenagers, this application is also popular in all circles. These three applications really help us in doing various things. Apart from that, the popularity of these three applications can be separated from stories or events as well as global or real life today. These three applications allows us to easily connect the world and disseminate information faster than ever before in human history. It is one of the best ways to stay informed about current events, increase marketing exposure, and stay connected with friends and family. The global phenomenon of technology that is spreading throughout the world makes it easier for people to communicate more quickly and easily promote their business to a large number of people in short time and very cheaply. The three social media may have drawbacks but have more advantages, especially being useful for humans who access information. Alright, this report is over. If anyone want to ask, if there is, I welcome it, and please type in the chat box. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.